Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome with a new video. So uh, as you have seen, if you have seen my yesterday video, so there was a live mock on Olive board, that is of Ibps RRB PO level prelims. So I have taken that mock test and here is the analysis. So yesterday I got to know about my score and I was not able to check the rank and the percentile. So this is very important. So we will get to know the like where we stands and what is the competition, actual competition level. So here mine is only 53 percentage, which is very low, I know. But so my speed got dropped and here I attempted only less number of questions. So actually this mock was easy level, it was not tough. So it was one pie chart, so it is very easily doable in this section. But as I told you, since my speed, see, as you can see that my percentage is only to 38 percentage, and I need to work hard on this in order to improve my scores in quant section. And so I thought, what I thought was, after 15th of April, so I'm going to practice the quant level, like quant questions a lot. But what happens, actually what I thought was, after the April 15th, so let me focus more on the quant section and clear all my basics in the arithmetic section. But no, since many family functions are there and also many marriage functions are there in my family, so I was not able to focus and practice. So this month also I wasted actually, so I have to restart in the May month. So that's why, so if we have a proper schedule or discipline, we will practice. You in the previous video itself, like after SBI clerk means I don't want to attend any kind of exams, so I put out all my effort in that exam so that I don't look back to those arithmetic section again. But have to read again and restart it. So I thought, let me start the daily for arithmetic series again, so that I also stay focused and help others also, including me, because if we practice and if we talk with someone or discuss with someone else, so it will be more it will be for me to recall and remember the concepts clearly. So that's why today I thought of starting the day one arithmetic series of 5 questions daily. So okay, let's get started. So I have taken the topic average and these are the questions. A park has an average of 820 viewers on the Saturdays and 460 on the other days. The average number of viewers per day in a month of 30 days beginning with a Saturday is. So here, as you can see, the day is starting with Saturday and we know that there is 820 viewers on Saturdays. Okay, so here uh, if the day is starting with Saturday, then this will be Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and again this is Saturday. See, if I take it in a month of 30 days, it will be like 7 1s are 7 2s are 14, 7 is 21, 7 4s are 28. Okay, so 28, then 29, 30. So here also Saturday will come. So the remaining days were the visitors were 460, and here you can see it is 1 2 3 4 5. So that's why I have multiplied 5 with 820, means 5 Saturdays are coming in the month having 30 days, and the remaining these days were 25, and the total number of viewers on that day will be 460. So that is equal to, if I multiply this, I will get 4100, and if I multiply 460 with the 25, I will get 11500. And here you can see, if I add this, 15600 divided by 30. Okay, because we have to find the average number of viewers per day. Okay, so 15600 divided by 30 will give you the average viewers per day in a month. Okay, that is 520. Then next question, there were 45 persons in a camp. Due to the arrival of 9 new persons, the expenses of the camp were increased by rupees 54 per day, while the average expenditure per head diminished by rupees 2. What was the original expenditure of the camp? So as you can see, uh, so here you can see initially there were 45 persons. Okay, that's why I have written 45, and we don't know what was the expenditure, so let's call it as X. Okay, and it got increased by 54 when 9 new persons were added. Okay, that is 45 plus 9 will give you 54, and here as you can see the average expenditure per head diminished by rupees 2. So that is, if the initial average is X, that is expenditure average, so it got decreased, so that's why I have written minus 2. So 54 into X minus 2 minus 45X will give you 54, and you can see if I solve this, I will get X is equal to 162 divided by 9 and X will be equal to 18. So here they asked what was the original expenditure of the camp. So original expenditure will be, initially there were 45% and I have to multiply it with 18. This is the average. Okay, if I multiply this initial average with the number of persons, I will get the original expenditure of the camp, that is 810. Next question. 5 years ago, the average age of the family of 5 members was 30 years. 2 children having been born with the difference of 3 years. The present average of the family is same, and the present age of the youngest child is. So as you can see, 5 years ago the average age of the family of the 5 members was 30. So 5 into 30 will give you 150 years, and this is before 5 years. So present age will be 5 into 5, because there are 5 members and this was 5 years ago. So each person we need to add 5. Okay, so that is 5 into 5, I will get 25. So total the present age of the family of 5 members will be 150 plus 25, that is 175 years. This is the present age. And as you can see, so there is an addition of 2 children having born with a difference of age 3 years. So let's say initially there were 5 members in a family, so later 2 child got added, so that is the number will become 7 and the average will remain same. Okay, so that's why I have multiplied 7 with 30. It will give you 210, and this is the sum of the ages including those two children. Okay, so if I subtract this 175 from 210, I will get the 2 child's age. Okay, 2 children age, that is 35. So 2 new child age as I already written here, and they have said that the 2 children been born with a difference of 3 years, means if the one child's age is X, then another child will be 3 more than that, so that is equal to 35. 2x will be equal to 35 minus 3, that is 32. X will be equal to 16. So next question. The average age of the 5 members in a family is 30 years. If the present age of the youngest member of the family is 10 years, so what was the average age of the family at the time of the birth of the youngest member? So the average age of the 5 members of the family will be 30 years. Okay, if I multiply this 30 with 5, I will get 150 years. So this is the sum of the ages of all the 5 members. And the total age of the 4 members at the time of the birth of youngest child, so that will be 150 minus 10 into 5. Okay, so that will give you 100 years. And the average age of the family will be 100 divided by 4, that will be equal to 25 years. So this is how I will explain. See, the present age of the 5 members of the family, that is 5 into 30 will be 150, and this is the present age. And at the time of the youngest child was born, so their age will also be less. Let's go back 10 years back, this is the present age of the youngest child. So before a previous year it was 9 years old, and before that it was 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, so at the time of this birth of this child, so the age of the family members will be we have to minus 10 from each of the members. Okay, because there are 5 members, and if I subtract 10 from each of the family members, we will get the age of those family members at the time of the birth of the youngest child. Okay, so that's why I did 150 minus 10 5s are 50. We will get 100 years, and they asked the average age of the family at the time of the birth of the youngest member. So at the time of the birth of the youngest member, there were only 4 members. Okay, 100 divided by 4 will be equal to 25 years. Then next question, the average age of the 6 members in a family 3 years ago was 40 years. At present, the son went to foreign and sister came into the family, so their average age decreased by 1 year. Then find the difference of the ages of the son and the sister. Okay, so as you can see, the average age of the 6 members in a family 3 years ago was 40 years. So 40 into 6 will give you 240 years, and this was the age 3 years ago. So after 3 years, their age will be 3 into 6, so that will give you 18. So the percentage of all those 6 members in the family will be 258. Then here they have said at present the son went to foreign, means one person will go back and the sister came in that place. Okay, so therefore the average age decreased by 1 year. So initially the average was 40. Since the going of the son and coming of the daughter, the average decreased by 1. Okay, that is 39, but the members will remain same. 39 into 6 will give you 234, and if I subtract 234 from 240, I will get 24 years. So this is the answer they have asked. The difference, find the difference of the ages of the son and the sister. Okay, so that is 24 years. So that's it. So I am done with the daily 5 arithmetic questions today. Hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching. Please to subscribe for more videos and updates like this. Follow Banking Spark.